Like many words in science, specifically physics, common words are misused. Work, energy, and power are perfect examples. Did you really work like you said you did? Do people really feel your positive energy? Does our teacher has a special power to read our minds? That's just the common phrases we probably say when we talk about work, power, and energy. Now, what is work, power, and energy? Hello everyone, I am Jelmy Rodriguez Flores from BS Ed Science 1B. And today, we are going to explore that definition and what are the simple related activities related to it, and how work, energy, and power are interrelated. So without further ado, let's get to work. Work is not just you trying to do things mentally or physically. In physics, work is a measurable quantity. It is only a physical thing, and it is only truly work if something truly gets done. Work is done when energy is transferred. When force is used on an object, it moves through a distance. We can say that work is done. Simple activity that work is applied is simply opening a door, throwing a ball, lifting a grocery, or climbing up a stairs. Work can be defined as the energy dissipated to apply a force to a body. When we lift our body above the ground, force is applied on a body to make it move through a distance against the force of gravity. Work is done. The standard unit of work or energy is called the joule. Next that we'll be taking into is the energy. To do any work, energy is used. Energy, or the ability or capacity to do work, is found in various forms. It can be in the form of sunlight that is needed by plants to grow, from that provided by our foods, which is a form of chemical energy, whether plugging in your laptop for charging or to turn on an electric fan, transferring the hot boiled water in a thermos, pouring a hot water in a cup with spoon, stirring your cup of coffee or milk, the heat that is produced by the sun, or mechanical energy produced by different machines. Running up a stair is also an example of energy since it is an ability to do work. There are many forms of energy. We have the two subcategories, the kinetic energy and the potential energy. Kinetic energy is a form of energy that an object or a particle has by reason of its motion. Examples: a moving car or a motorcycle, flying airplane, windmills, or running and walking. Next is potential energy. Potential energy is a latent energy in an object at rest. An object can store energy as a result of its position. Examples of potential energy is a car that is parked at the top of a hill, a yo-yo before it released, and ripe fruit before it falls. Energy can change forms, but it cannot appear from nothing or disappear without a trace. As the law of conservation of energy states, that energy can neither be created nor destroyed, but can only be transformed from one form to another. The transformation of energy relates to the work being done by forces that exerts on an object. Now let's move on to power. In simple terms, power is the rate of doing work. The rate at which the work is being done is expressed by the amount of work done. In other words, it also means the rate at which energy is being consumed. If the rate of energy consumption is fast, so the power will also be higher. For example, if a person climbs the stairs, the work done over the period in which the person climbs the stairs gives the power. Another example is the strength of a person needed to run in 5 miles. Other examples of power are electrical power and mechanical power. Its international system of unit is called watts. How is work related to power and energy? Well, force exerted on an object over a distance does the work. Work, on the other hand, can increase energy, and energy can do work. Power is the rate at which work is done. Hence, we can say that many physical situations can be greatly simplified by understanding about these three things, as it enables us to evaluate force over distance and time. Also, it gives us a broader understanding, not just the forces acting on an object, but about what happens to that object over the course of a given journey. Work, energy, and power are everywhere and are disguised by various forms, which some are of what we have identified. These three fundamental aspects of physics is essential and are part of our day-to-day living. Thank you so much everyone for listening, and see you next time. God bless!